Let's write the documentation for find all songs. First of all, I must have a definition model for all songs. Let me copy the same object here. And I'm going to name it to the songs. I don't have any required properties. The first property is docs. And the return type of docs is the song object. So we need to add the reference for the song object. It should be an array. Type is an array. And we also need to add the reference for the definition of the song. It can also return the total. The type is integer. It will also give me the pages. Type is integer. It will also give me the limit. Type is integer. It will also give me the per page, the current page. So the type is integer. Now we need to create a new path. I have already created the /songs path. So this time the action or HTTP word should be get. I'm going to copy the same object. Let me do it here. This time the HTTP word should be get and tag should be same. API endpoint for find all songs. You can also rename the description. Find all songs from the database. This time we need two parameters, page and per page. So the name is page. You can say that define the page index. For the records, the in should be query. This time the input should be query. It's not a required property. You can also specify the type. The type is integer. I don't have any schema reference file. I also have another argument, per page. Define the limit for the records. For example, 10. Yes, the input should be query type and it will give me all the songs. So I can update the description. All the songs. Definition should be songs. Let's try to test that. I'm going to start the project. Let me refresh my browser. Here we have /songs endpoint to find all the songs. You can define the page value and the per page value. I'm going to try to find all the songs. I'm not going to provide any pagination value. Let's provide that. I want to provide the page 1 and my per page is 8. Let me execute that. Cool. I got all the docs. Here we have docs. Let me show you the limit and page. My limit is 8 and this is my current page. If you try to see the success response, the example value, it is giving us the object here. I will return the array of songs. So you must need to display the array here. So how can you fix that? You can say that items and you can wrap your reference inside the items object. Now it looks good. The return type is the array of docs.